Today is Saturday. You look good, babe.
Thank you.
You look really good. We will go. Meron siya appointment today. And then we will return you guys. The personal blender na pinagyabang ko ng bongga. Nasira. Nasira siya kahapon. I was preparing our smoothie para dalhin namin sa trabaho. And then nasira siya. Ayaw na niyang mag-on. So, what do you think is wrong with it, babe?
It's fucked.
Okay, I know that, but you said something specific. The motor or something?
It's burnt out.
It is? Yeah, nasira siya. And hindi naman namin ginagamit siya ng over. Ano lang, every morning lang. Tapos, yeah, so we will return it. And then we will go to Daiso. I actually have a list, babe, to buy. Kasi gusto ko din mag-Daiso haul. And I need a lot of stuff as well. Not a lot, but like cotton pads. And then we need a brush for our smoothie bottles or tumblers. Tapos ang hirap kasi linisin kapag walang brush, so we need that. Anyway, I have on my face the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and then on this side Estee Lauder Light, and they actually look the same to me. The Estee Lauder Double Wear is, I think, more of my no, under natural lighting they look really good. The lighting is a bit messy as well right now, but yeah, it looks really good. It's, hindi siya makapal yung paglagay ko. And see, it's very well right now. Right now, it's very full coverage looking. Siguro kasi bago pa. On my lips is the ColourPop Lipsticks in Grunge. And yeah, I will stay in the car.
When?
During your appointment?
If you want.
Of course, I'll stay in the car, right? Yeah. Because what am I gonna do outside? Tingnan ko nga yung foundation. Ito yung Estee Lauder Double Wear na Shell Beige yung shade. And then ito yung Estee Lauder na light na number 3 ata yung shade ko dito. Parang magkapareho. This one matches. Hala, uy, yung blush ko okay. Okay lang ba yan? Nagmamadali ako kanina eh. Sobrang late namin natulog kagabi. Kasi we got home like 1:30. So natulog ako siguro mga 2:30 na. Papunta na kami sa Big W. We stopped by the bakery and I got mushroom, beef and mushroom. Is it right? Beef and mushroom pie.
Try that. That's good.
The donut now. And then Dan got the chocolate donut. And then we got iced coffee as well, which is right there. Dito kami sa Big W. Mas maganda to dito, guys, no? Kaysa sa dito. Na-return na ni Dan yung ano. We're just looking for kung nasaan yung area na yun. Oh, here, babe. Yeah, so ito yung binili namin.
Chaka.
Ito, Chaka. And then NutriBullet. Oh, this is the expensive one. But it's really good. Yeah. Ito yung NutriBullet.
Very good blender.
This is what made it like famous, this thing, I think. How much is it, babe, the NutriBullet?
It's $180.
180. And then, oh, Blitz Pro is 99. We're going here, Robbery Hotel, for lunch. We changed our mind. We're going to a different pub, hotel. Kasi tinignan naman yung menu and di ko siya masyadong feel. Di ko maintindihan yung iba. So, we will go to Franklin Hotel or pub. Ang ganda pa naman sana ng parking dito. Kasi free. Dito kami sa the Franklin Hotel. We got our lemon bitters. Si Dandan, same. You look good, babe. Look at the outfit of the day. Do you remember where we got this?
You got it from one of those cheap shops, JJ's.
It's not cheap.
It's
Not expensive, but yeah, JJ's. And then this is from Meyer.
Yeah, they're Meyer.
Yeah. Those are nice. I like those. And I do not know where my dress is from. Agay! Oh, I need to pee again.
Go pee.
I'll pee. Oh, my face! Hala, the lighting is really good in here. Which one is better? This or this? Sabi ni Dan, tinanong ko siya kanina, like, wala siya nakikitang difference at all. So, siguro ito. Yung mukha ko, mas puti talaga siya kaysa sa neck ko. Siguro dahil sa lahat ng mask na ina-apply ko araw-araw, gabi-gabi. Oh, well, I'll go pee. Can you take over, babe?
No.
Let's do the thumbnail right now. Say hi, people. They're not moving now.
We should do that with the family.
Yeah, right?
It'd be hilarious.
We should.
I wonder if you could be over the age of 18 though, like depending on the kids.
Go, you guys. Yay! I got this. And then Danny Boy got that duck. Got a duck. And then yung akin, I forgot, papadel, something like that, guys. So pasta of the day nila ito. Yum.
No, they broke into a car.
Sorry?
The guys broke into a car, that's who he was looking for? Yeah. He was on the phone, he goes, I told that kid was up to me, when he broke into a car. As he said. Do you want to taste my duck, babe? You want that bit? Cool. So bomb.
It's really good.
Yeah.
You'll love this. It has the chili, so just avoid the chili if you want to taste it.
Alright, babe.
Well, I can't finish this.
I know. I won't until you have enough and then I'll finish it. Mine's really good as well, babe.
Good. Holy. May hinahanap silang tao, guys. Naka-blue daw ng hoodie. Someone broke into a car. And then, yeah, hinahanap sila ng police. Oh, the police, babe. That's really cool.
Yeah, looking for him, yeah.
Yeah, hinahanap talaga nila, guys. Pupunta kami sa Daiso, Japan. I have my list. I'm not sure if I have it on my phone or I wrote it somewhere. Maybe it's on my phone. Basta, I need cotton pads. We need the brush. That's it. Yun lang yung nasa list. Babe, we will go through everything, okay? Sa Daiso, babe. If you need something, pick it and put it in my basket. Dito ako sa MAC. I think I will get a lipstick. Hirap nakita. Tatry niya sa lips ko. What did you say?
Your makeup done. My makeup.
Oh, your makeup? Sige. Daiso. Babe, get a basket, please. The organizers. Ganda. You okay? That's really cute, babe. Kinuha mo ha. Ikaw ha, savage ka. Look at this. I wanna buy this. Para ganito, oh. Pang partition. Charot. So, yeah. Dan is working out kung ano yung dapat bilhin. Like, ilang cm or ish.
Okay.
What? How cute is that? Can you get that for me, please? That is so cute. Is it an ice cream?
Yeah, $5 each. That's actually not bad.
That sounds like Drake, babe. Yung nagsasalita parang friendly Dan. Right now, like yung nagsabi ng yeah.
I would personally go for a better brand.
This is so weird. Stainless steel. I know it's for stainless steel, I guess. So, huh? For pots. I'm thinking of getting this one, guys, or this. Like, siguro ito mas magmamatch sa kitchen. Ito, like, it's cute, but mas magmatch ito. You know what I mean? So, maybe I'll get this. Hindi ko pa nahanap yung brush na pinunta namin dito. Wait, how do you... okay. Yeah. Let's get that, babe.
Got some suction cups.
Yeah. Lunchbox. Hello, babe. Tumblers, oh.
Coffees.
It doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want in there. Hala! This is cool. Ito yung aming bibilhin. And this... And nakapag-shopping ako sa mga kanina. Wow!
I can tell.
Mag-try sila ng mga white shirts. Meron kaming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white shirts here. They will try. Like it all looks the same. Who's got the white shirt? We got it! We will go to MAC. Kasi yung babae, sabi niya, bibigyan ako ng sample. Bibigyan talaga ng mga sample. Sabi niya, bibigyan niya ako ng sample. Kaya lang naubusan sila ng pot. Feeling ko parang hindi na nagbibigay ng sample yung iba. Tapos yun yung nirarason nila. Kasi when I went to Sephora, yan dun yung rason ng babae na naubusan daw sila ng pot. So I got a pot sa Daiso. Kasi sabi niya, bumalik ka and bibigyan kita ng sample. So yung tinest niya dito lang, yung NC35, I think was. And yan, nag-match sa akin ng bongga. Hello! I will remove my makeup. Ay, check ko pala muna kung ano talaga sa kanila yung gusto ko. Kalimutan ko na. I filmed a video, guys. I filmed the whole. So, di ba nag-shopping kami kanina na Daiso. Meron akong binili sa MAC. So, yun, hinol ko agad. And then, inayos ko din yung kwarto. Yung filming room ko, it's still magulo. Pero at least hindi na siya kasing gulo noon. Kasi sobrang magulo siya. I filmed the whole few days ago. Tas nandun pa rin lahat ng mga damit na hinol ko. Like, you know, hinol ko, pinakita ko, dinrap ko lang sa floor. Well, not really. Like, nilagay ko sa plastic, tas dinrap ko sa floor. So, it was messy. Pero ngayon, okay na siya. Naayos ko na siya ng konti. Ay, guys, nakita niyo na ba yung tripod ko? Ang ganda nito. Sa Gearbest ko siya nakuha. I featured it in my haul. Pero, ganito siya, guys. See? Ito. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay. Pwede, makakatayo siya kasi ganyan. And then, itong thing na to, ipipress mo. Wait, magiging shaky. Para ma-move yung dito. Yung dito na part. So, ipipress mo lang siya. Yeah, yun yung tripod ko. I'm actually really liking it. Ito na yung gamit ko lagi. Ganyan na ako mag-film. Yung tripod mo, Mayora, nilagay ko na sa bag ko. Magkikita kami nila Mayora bukas, nila Mia, nila Kat. Kasi magsaselebrate kami ang birthday ni Kati. Maganda. Birthday niya. Actually, magka-birthday sila ng kapatid ko. Kakaloka, diba? Ito si Kati. Magka-birthday sila ni Miss. Pero yeah, si Miss nasa New Zealand. First time ata ni Miss na... Yeah, first time ni Miss na wala siya sa country. Mag-birthday siya. May nagtanong sa akin kung anong gamit kong makeup remover. Ito, Sephora na makeup remover. Nakakatanggal talaga siya ng waterproof makeup, guys. Ano? Ayaw mo mag-focus? Ayaw mo kay Sephora? Ayaw niya. There you go. Yan, waterproof eye makeup remover siya. Excited ako gamitin yung mga cotton pads na binili ko sa Daiso. Kaya lang meron pa ako nito yung from Etude House. So, yeah, ito muna. Ubusin ko muna to. Pigilan mo ang iyong sarili. Ang dami kong mask dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Wala siyang laman, pero... Ay! Hindi lahat nandito. Pero I do not know kung bakit kinikip ko yung iba. Oh, I think I was planning to do a video all about mask. But I don't think if I can do that now. Sobrang saya ko nga. Nakafilm ako ng video kanina. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Tapos, bukas will be a long day again. Punta kami kinakat. But we will sleep in. Kaming dalawa ni Dan. Kasi, alas 3 pa ata yung punta ko kinakat. Though, sabi ko sa kanya, pwede akong pumunta ng maaga. Tulungan siya magluto. Kasi magluluto siya. So, we'll see what happens. Ay, hala. Hindi ko na-check na maayos yung aking mukha. Which one do I like better? Actually, pareho silang maganda, guys. And this lip combo na tinry sa akin nung taga-MAC, I actually really like. Parang na ano na siya, nawala na siya kasi kumain na ako ng snack kanina. Pero ano siya, yung Soar? What is Soar? Soar na lip liner. Soar yung shade. And then, lagyan niya ng Mare. Mare, patawag doon na siya. Yeah, Mare. Yung matte na parang pinkish nude. I really like. It is already almost 11. And nagutom ako, hindi kami nag-dinner kasi late kami nag-lunch. And nakala ko hindi ako gutumin, but I'm hungry. So I'm gonna cook this. Saba, banana, turon. Yummers. Sabi nila, lutuin ko na ng lahat. No, not all, babe. How many are you gonna eat? Are you gonna eat this or
You might
no?
as well cook it all. Yeah,
Why?
because I'll probably have 3 or 4. You might have 2, then just need a couple left.
We have 8 here.
Yeah.
I think I'll have 5. You get 3.
Whatever. You might as well cook it all.
You looking good, babe. It's so good. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks really good. You guys tingnan niyo. Babe. It's bald. Tinrim ko siya. Ginupitan ko ng buwanggang-buwangga. Tapos, ngayon, sobrang... Ay, nako, guys. Binili ko to para malinis ko yung tumbler ko. Ang liit-liit naman ng kanyang, bangag. Kakaloka naman yung tumbler na yan. Hindi siya magkasya kanina. As hindi talaga siya magkasya. I will close this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe.